Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you are all doing well. So in my recent videos I saw that mostly people were asking me to show them that how they can make 500 mm 3D printer at home. So I was making this printer and I thought that I should share with you. So I have already built the frame for 500 mm 3D printer. So let me give you a look. So this is the frame for 500 mm 3D printer. So let me tell you about the frame in this video, and after that I will make another video after making other components, and I will show you that how you can assemble those components with this printer. So as you can see that it's completely like a cube. So about the dimensions of these rods, so you can see that these are the aluminum 2020 profiles, and I used 650 mm for one axis and 600 mm for z axis and 650 for x and y axis. So x and y axis are both 650 mm and z axis has 600 mm, and I have combined them by using 90-degree angle brackets. As you can see here, these are the 90-degree brackets. I have joined them with using 90-degree brackets on all corners. You can see that 4 corner brackets on one face here and 4 on other, 4 on other and 4 on other side. That means you will have to use 16 corner brackets to join this frame. And these are the brackets for y-axis. You can see here. After completing the design of these sheets, I ordered the sheet. I used aluminum cladding sheet, and then I used CNC machine to make them. After that, you will have to use POM V wheels for y-axis and x-axis. So you can see the POM V wheels on the bottom side of y-axis gantry plates. So you will have to use them for traveling in y-axis and x-axis. After that, I have designed the heat bed plate for 500 mm 3D printer because 500 mm heat bed was not available to me. So that's why I designed this plate so that I can use 4 214 mm heat beds on this plate. So I have connected them in series and parallel connection so that they consume minimum electricity. So I have used 2 linear rods, and I will use 4 lead screw rods on the corners for z axis. That means I will use 4 NEMA 17 motors on z axis and 2 for x and y and 1 for extruder motor. So that means we will use 7 NEMA 17 motors, and I will use MKS Robin Nano V3.1 board on this printer. And this is the design of our frame for 500 mm 3D printer. I hope you like it, and I will share the more assembly of this printer in the next video. If you want to ask anything about this printer, you can ask me in comment section, or you can contact me on WhatsApp. As if you have any suggestion for me, I would happily take your suggestion. And so that's it for this video. I wanted to show you the frame of 500 mm 3D printer. I hope you understand that how you can make this frame, and about the dimensions I can repeat them. So 650 mm for x and y axis. That means this rod is 650 and this rod is also 650, and for z axis I used 600 mm. So this is the frame for 500 mm 3D printer, and in the next video I will show you more assembly of it. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.